Welcome to Ask Dr Gearhead. Today's question is it bad to run my gas tank down to empty? Can it cause damage to my engine? The common misconception is that by running your gas tank all the way down will allow the sediment on the bottom to get sucked up into your engine. Does that make sense? Think about it. Where is the pickup in your gas tank located? At the lowest point. So regardless of the level of gas in the tank, the pump will always draw the gas up from that point. Besides, the pickup typically has a sock or mesh filter screen to prevent the fuel pump from sucking up large contaminants. And further down, there's generally another finer fuel filter to protect the engine from contaminants. So does that mean it's okay to run your gas tank down to empty? No. Why not? Most modern passenger vehicles have located the fuel pump inside the fuel tank. The fuel pump relies on being submerged in fuel to keep it running cool. Running your gas tank all the way down to empty can cause your fuel pump to operate in an overheated state. While doing so on occasion will not likely cause an immediate failure, making it a practice can shorten the life of your fuel pump considerably. The cost to replace a fuel pump can be several $100s or more. While the damage will usually be limited to premature failure of the fuel pump, it is also possible to cause damage to fuel injectors or worse. So rather than take a chance at costing yourself an unwanted breakdown and hundreds of dollars in repairs, try to make it your practice to fill up when your fuel gauge gets down to about 1/4 full. Happy motoring!